Welcome back to the channel.
Whoop, whoop. Guess what day it is?
Okay, so how do you pick anything in the store? Because it goes on forever.
It does. I'm so excited. So
what are
many
you
options
thinking?
to choose from. I want it like, okay, I was just telling Kev, I want it like borderline ugly because it is a camper. I want it to have that camper feel, that older kind of feel, you know, maybe like vintagey, ugly. I don't want it super modern. I don't want that. I want it to be super bright and colorful, just like warming and welcoming and just fun.
Nice. I pulled out all the ones that I think she would like. It's got to be ugly and it's got to be colorful. Those are the best. It doesn't help that you're exactly like Steel when it comes to picking things out.
I'm so indecisive.
Right here, this one. That would look cool. We're gonna be here forever. A long while later.
Don't judge me.
Alright, subscribers, we need you guys in real time.
For real.
We need your opinion. We need that. Everyone that's, oh my god, everyone that's sticking out is one that is a possibility. Look at this. The whole damn rack looks like it's tipping over. There's
just a couple.
Alright. Dude, this one's my favorite right here. I like that one with the arrowheads. That's like vintagey, modern-y. This one is screaming 1970s lowrider van, isn't it?
Not
It is.
Copart Camper rebuilt though.
What? Oh man.
We've narrowed it down to a couple less.
Yep. Alright, I say go with the one that has the most because
They all
finding
have the
a
most.
roll that's going to cover everything you need to cover
But what if they have more
is
in
going
the
to be
back?
hard. Oh, well, I guess. They might.
What's your least favorite? I think this one's my least.
This is my least.
Yeah, mine too. You're gone. Sorry.
I'm digging the cactuses, the arrowheads, and this one, I guess. On camera, it looks better. My two favorites, this one and this one.
And mine too.
You guys are lucky. You get to see the deciding process and how long it takes. We're down to 3.
No, down to 2.
Oh,
Those are my favorite too.
this one matches your blues on your cupboards.
This one does too, kind of.
Oh, jeez. So, apparently, shopping for fabric and being cheap don't mix.
This is making me so mad. Yay! Look how good he looks with that fabric. And the sun's out. It was pouring rain this morning. God loves us. So, we're gonna stop and get some lunch. Then we're gonna go home. Kev's gonna work on the car. And I'm gonna work on some fabric. Wish us luck.
We're too early. We tried to make it so we'd beat Steel out of work.
But we're a little
Now we're
early, so
sitting
we're
here.
gonna have date day
Date at the picnic table.
at Steele's Cherokee store work.
Pollock Market. You ever want frickin' jerky? This is where you go. It's
Yeah.
good stuff.
It's great stuff.
So yeah, after all that, I'm pretty sure you know what went through at the store. So I'm gonna clean my garage once again. I got a person coming to buy the snow tires. I told him he could have the Mickey Thompsons if he bought both sets for full price. He's cool with it. So I'm gonna clean my garage up. And we're gonna pull the Grand Cherokee in here, and I'm going to rewire them injectors. Look at this. Remember the tranny jack camera holder? That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put you guys in the corner and get to work. Alright, this I can work with. Man, that thunderstorm made it humid out. It's freaking warm and muggy. So, garage is clean. This guy's gonna be coming. I gotta Get all these bikes taken care of. Well, my kids got to get all these bikes taken care of. I'm going to pull that Jeep in, rewire the injectors, do all that. Basically, update video. Let's go see what Britt's doing. Yep, this looks fun. I'm out of here. Boom, she's in here. We could be working on the white Jeep, finishing that, but one of our subscribers was pretty much on the money. This one needs the least amount of work to flip it. The white one, I still have to go to the junkyard. I have to get a bunch of parts. This one, all I have to do is get in here and rewire these injectors. I think there's 2 of them that they ate the wires on. I got to put vacuum lines on this, and then should be running smoothly, and I can put this up for sale. So we can sell this first and hopefully get profit while we're working on that one. Post that one for sale. I still haven't bought anything else. I really got to get out and do that. We've just been super busy. We got to get that camper done too. So yeah, we're just juggling. So we're going to work on this for now, and hopefully we can get this thing to run good. All right, it is the 3rd injector in. So you got 1, 2, 3, which is the bad, 4, 5, 6. I checked all the other wires. They look good. Basically, 1 ate through some of this. They didn't hit the wires, so I peeled off all the bad. And the yellow wire is actually still intact, but they did chew through the green, so we were not getting any current. Yeah, I might just cut that and tie it together. Who knows if there's only like 4 or 5 strands in there actually holding it. I'm gonna rewire these and let's see how this thing runs. All right, just quick wire together. See what it does. Let's see how this thing runs. Yep, it's fixed. Why that brake light's on? Maybe brakes feel good, so I don't know. Maybe I'll check the fluid on that. She's running good now. Look at that oil pressure. Like 60 pounds at idle. That's nuts. So we're gonna check that engine light. We'll see what cylinder that was misfiring, because I don't know the firing order on this. Tires are gone. I love it when they turn into the green stuff. God, I love it. And you know what? I know you guys are gonna judge me for this, but I'm only gonna electrical tape this. I ain't gonna do no wire connectors, butt connectors, no connectors. And I can't find my frickin' electrical tape, so I'm gonna have to buy some of that so I can tape this up, tape it back up so it looks nice. And we're gonna call this thing fixed. I don't see anything pulling them wires apart or anything yanking on them or anything. They ain't gonna come apart. They're twisted together good. As long as I tape each individual and then tape them together tight, like any other wire harness, they're gonna hold. And then what else did I need to do to this? I forgot already. It's pretty clean. I gotta wash it. My son's gonna hate me for selling it, but it is what it is. So you seen it. Look at it. The radiator hose is new. She's been sitting, man. That's this original battery. That thing came back to life. I should probably check all the fluids, make sure she's nice and full. Yeah, I can get this thing posted, man. Air filter looks good. My son checked that. I mean, unless he got in there and cleaned it, but I wanted to make sure that the mice didn't make a nest down in there. Last thing you want to do is suck mice crap into the motor or into the intake. That's what I thought happened when I was driving it home. And I was like, man, maybe there's a mass airflow sensor with a screen and it just all sucked in and it stuck to that, not getting air. But then it would have been boggy, you know what I mean? Real boggy, low power. It wouldn't have been sputtering. It was sputtering because one cylinder wasn't firing. So yeah, good running driving Jeep. 800 bucks. I've sold these things generally between 22 and hell, all the way up to 3 grand. So we'll see what happens. I'll continue to clean it up. We'll get some Mr. Clean pads down here. This stuff wipes right off, guys, and it looks new. You throw some tire shine on here. This darkens right up. Looks good for about 2 weeks. Stays nice and moist. Yeah. Half of me thinks I should pull that radio out of there. But I already pulled one out of the last Jeep, so my son's got a radio. Oh, these right here. You know what works on that? Sand it and clear coat it as well. You saw my previous videos where I used 1000 grit sandpaper and then I used buffing compound. That works really well, but what works even better is obviously sand it with 1000 grit and then spray it with clear coat. It'll look brand new, and it doesn't fade, it doesn't go away. Until that clear coat fades or chips off, it looks like a brand new headlight. So we might go that route. I want to work on that. But this video is getting long, guys. So quick update, Jeep is fixed, need electrical tape. Going to the junkyard for that tomorrow. Got our fabric for the camper. She's in there working on that. And she's not too thrilled because it's not going the way she wanted it to. But, you know, it is what it is. It's all work. God, I really got to get them corners on that camper too. Another video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you to all the new subscribers. You guys are awesome. Stay tuned. I'm going to post this one. We'll see if it sells. See how fast it sells. Remember, smash that like button if you liked what you saw or you learned anything. You want to learn how to flip cars or at least Jeeps and Chevys? Keep watching. See how much we can make here. We've been making good money. It's going real well. Gambled on that. Stay tuned. Click the notification button. See what I make off that. That was a serious gamble. I mean, it wasn't a gamble for $450. I'm going to make money. It's a gamble as to how much I'm going to make. So keep watching, guys. Peace out.